You're going to want to make sure that you have printed out the week 21 chapter 8 student notes. These will help when you have to go back and look how to do this. This is another kind of ablative. It's also on your purple ablative of charts. You may want to transfer it there when we're done. All right, so the ablative of respect or specification. Now, it could either be called an ablative of respect or an ablative of specification. I'm giving you both terms just because every Latin dictionary, or textbook will refer to them a little bit differently. So this is another case of the ablative case appearing without a preposition. Okay? To answer the question, in what respect? So I'm not talking about respect like you have respect for someone, and basically in what way does it relate to, right? Or in what specific way does the quality of a noun, adjective, or verb apply? And the reason we have to pay attention to this is because many of our ablatives are used in prepositional phrases. In English, it'll be used with a preposition very frequently. In Latin, it's not. So the ablative word specifies how a statement being made is true. So let's take a look at this. We're going to look at a bunch of examples in English. Then we're going to apply it to the Latin. So in English, you're going to look for the phrases such as with respect to, or in, meaning with regard to, right? In what way? At or in terms of. So in English, with respect to flavor, this bread is much better than that bread. How are they, right? Almost like, how are they comparing? How are they in relation to each other? Remember, because the ablative verse specifies how a statement being made is true. I am greater in fame, but you are greater in dignity. Are you equal to her in virtue? He is the best at pumpkin carving. In terms of natural talent, he has more than you. So again, remember, in what respect or specific way does the quality of a noun, adjective, or verb apply? Right? How is it much better, right? It's much better with regards to its flavor. How, this is an adjective. How are you greater in fame? How am I greater? I'm greater in fame. How are you greater? You're greater with respect to, right, again. Or what specific way are you greater than me? Well, with dignity. This is a true statement. Are you equal? Are you equal to her in virtue? How is this, right? Are equal in virtue? He is the best. So what is he the best at? What's the true statement? He's best at pumpkin carving. And in terms of natural talent, he has more. In what way does he have more? What does he have more of? Natural talent. So let's take a look in Latin. Rex nomine erat, sed non facto. So what we're going to look at here is what are the words that are in ablative form. They don't have a preposition. Why? He was a king in name. We've got that in. Remember, one of the ways that we can do it was with in name, but not in deed. And I didn't highlight the in here as the ablative because remember there is no preposition in the Latin, but there would be in the English. So in what specific respect or specific way was he a king? In name, but not in deed. That's the truth. In name, but not in deed. It's telling me why something is true. So ego sum Latina lingua doctus. I am skilled in the Latin language. So here I did do the in. This whole phrase, right? Latina lingua is the translation of the ablative here. In what respect or specific way am I skilled? Well, I'm skilled how? In the Latin language. So here we have the verb, and it's telling us why the verb is true, or how the verb is true, or in what manner or respect, or specifically, how is the verb true? I am skilled. Well, if I just put a period there, I only am saying I'm skilled, but I'm giving you more specifics, right? I'm giving you specification in which way I am skilled. So don't let these words respect and specification throw you. Non aitate aquae sumus. We are not equals in age. So, again here, how is it describing? Not being equals, right? What are we not equals in? in age. How is it true? How is it true that we're not equals? We're not equals in age. So, in what specific way are we not equals? Aurelia loquendor celerior quam Lucretia. Aurelia was faster at talking than Lucretia. So, loquendo, again, is our ablative. Notice no preposition. So, Aurelia was faster at talking than Lucretia. You could take the at talking out. Aurelia was faster than Lucretia, but the loquendo here tells us what specifically she was faster at. So, and here's our quam, right? Faster than. What specific way was Aurelia faster? In talking. So, two things to remember. The adjectives dignus and indignus often appear with the ablative of respect. So just be looking for those. English best translates this phrasing with the preposition of. So how are we going to do this? All of this here. Omni honore et laude. The Lord is worthy of, here's our of, all honor and praise. In what specific way is he worthy? The Lord is worthy. So we're going to take this word. What way is he worthy? Right? Of all honor and praise. So that's it. It's pretty simple. It's just another thing to put in your toolbox of ways to use that ablative, which is the kind of that catch-all kind of a case, again, that we do not have in English, but it has some really specific uses in Latin.